Okay, so I'm going to be showing a page of my altered book for this. And so what I'm doing is I have cut a hole in this page that is a little picture of a girl. And then it's gonna look through to this page and it's going to, since it says flowers up here, I'm going to paint this page blue and stick some of the flowers that I have that I drew and cut out, and I'm going to put them on. So what I did with the flowers was I just drew some flowers and I used Copics, but I'm sure you can use any other marker or color pencil or anything you want. And I just cut it out of regular copy paper, and then I cut it out and colored it. Next things you're gonna need: paintbrush, a cup of water, which I've already used a bit, and some paint. So I'm painting the page blue. Also some wax paper, because this will help after you're done painting. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the page that I am painting and I'm just going to paint all over it so I can end up sticking my flowers on top. And so I'm just gonna go right over top the page, and just in case I get paint anywhere or anything like that happens, I have a mat right here that obviously is covered in paint already. And so it's okay if I get a bit of paint on it. This doesn't dry, so I'm actually going to start going a bit faster because I need to stick the flowers on. And this is really cool because if you want to paint the page and stick things on it, you don't have to use glue. So I'm just going to go over it one more time just so that everything's wet. So now that I have my page covered in paint, so now I'm just going to take some of the flowers that I have cut out and stick it on. And the good thing about this is the blue, make sure you don't have a lot of paint on your hands. I do, so I'm just going to use another finger that doesn't have it. But the blue, and so this is a pretty dark color, but the blue is, but it's not showing through the paper, which is really nice. And like I said, this is just drawing paper. So, I mean, not drawing paper, sorry. It's copy paper. So it's really thin. And although I do have, I did draw on it with markers, it's not showing through. When I close it, it's important. It's really nice, wax paper is, because you can put it over the paint and it shouldn't stick. So I'm gonna unfold this just so I know it covers everything. So I'm just gonna stick that down in here so like that the paint doesn't get on the opposite page. Now obviously I'm going to paint the other page. So this is the wax paper got set on. Obviously I'm gonna paint the other page, but I do have this girl on the page, so there's a hole here, so I don't want it to come through to this page over here. So I'm just gonna paint the other side and stick some other flowers maybe here so you can look through and see colors and like stuff like that. So that is how you do it.